Dear students, let us solve the problems from exercise 3.3 that is related to integration by parts rule. Okay, now let us solve the example integration of x into tan inverse of x. This is the product of two functions, that is x into tan inverse of x. Okay, so here according to LIATE rule, x is the algebraic function and tan inverse of x is the inverse trigonometric function. So in LIATE rule, the inverse function has the second position and algebraic function has third position, and that's why here the inverse trigonometric function means tan inverse of x is the u function. Therefore u equal to tan inverse of x and v equal to x. So apply by parts theorem. So by parts theorem is that integration of u into v with respect to x equal to u integration of v with respect to x minus integration of differentiation of u with respect to x into integration of v with respect to x and whole the integration with respect to x. So here u equal to, therefore integration of x into tan inverse of x with respect to x. So here u equal to tan inverse of x, therefore tan inverse of x, u outside the integration, v is x integration of x with respect to x minus integration of u with respect to x. U is tan inverse of x, therefore differentiation of u means differentiation of tan inverse of x with respect to x into integration of v means x with respect to x and whole the integration with respect to x. So here tan inverse of x as it is integration of x, that is by using x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 formula, and that is x raised to 2 upon 2 minus integration of tan inverse of x is 1 upon 1 plus x square, and integration of differentiation of tan inverse is 1 upon 1 plus x square, while integration of x with respect to x is x square. And now whole this function into this function, we have to integrate the whole function. Now this is 1 by 2 x square tan inverse of x minus x square upon 1 plus x square. So students, to solve this integration, that is x square upon 1 plus x square, we can make the adjustment, that is at numerator add with 1 so that the numerator now is equal to denominator. Add 1 and now subtract 1, plus 1 minus 1 with respect to x, and now integrate. See student, this is the first term, that is x square plus 1, and this is the another term, and that's why now integration of x square plus 1 upon, see here integration of x is x square upon 2. Okay students, and now take this 1 by 2 outside the integration. 1 by 2 is outside the integration. Now x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1 minus another term, that is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square and whole with respect to x. And now integration of this is equal to, this is equal to minus 1/2 x square plus 1 get cancelled, and this is integration of 1 with respect to x minus integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square with respect to x. and plus constant of integration c, and this the remaining term, that is 1 by 2 x square tan inverse of x, tan inverse of x, and this is the integration I of the given integral. And now this is equal to 1 upon 2 x square tan inverse of x minus 1 by 2. Integration of 1 with respect to x is x minus, this integration is of the type 1 upon 1 plus a square plus x square, and its integration is tan inverse of x. This is tan inverse of x plus constant of integration c, and this is the integration of x into tan inverse of x with respect to x. This is the integration of given problem. Okay student, now the next sum or the second problem is that evaluate integration of x square tan inverse of x with respect to x. Again by u into v rule, that is here. So tan inverse of x is the inverse trigonometric function and x square is the algebraic function. Therefore here u equal to tan inverse of x and v equal to x square. By using u into v rule, that is u into v, integration by parts, that is u take the integration of v with respect to x minus integration of, in integration differentiation of u with respect to x into integration of v with respect to x and whole with respect to x. Now integration of x square into tan inverse of x with respect to x. So u means the function, that is tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of x, integration of v is x square with respect to x minus differentiation of, in integration there is differentiation of tan inverse of x with respect to x into integration of v, that is x square with respect to x and integration of whole function with respect to x. Now this is equal to tan inverse of x is as it is. Integration of x square is x raised to 3 upon 3 minus differentiation of tan inverse of x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Integration of x square is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1, that is x raised to 3 upon 3 with respect to x. Okay students, now this is equal to tan inverse of x into x raised to 3 upon 3 minus this 1 by 3, take outside the integration, and now this is x raised to 3 upon 1 plus x square with respect to x. So students, now we can't solve this type of integration, we don't have any formula. So to make adjustment, we can, this is the division of the polynomial. By using division, we can adjust the integral. That is x raised to 3, the division is like this, x raised to 3 divided by 1 plus x square, and this is equal to x. X into x square is x raised to 3 plus x, and now the subtraction is there, x raised to 3 minus x raised to 3 is 0, this is minus x, and this is remainder, the remainder is minus x, and hence x raised to 3, that is x raised to 3 we can write in the form of, that is 1 plus x square into division, and plus remainder, but remainder is minus x, that's why minus x. Hence, instead of writing x raised to 3, we can write this term. Instead of writing x raised to 3, we can write this way. Okay, and that's why this is minus 1 by 3 integration of 1 plus x square into x minus x upon 1 plus x square with respect to x. And this is minus 1 by 3. Now separate the terms, that is integration of 1 plus x square into x upon 1 plus x square get cancelled, and here x with respect to x. And the second term is minus integration of x upon 1 plus the second term is x minus x upon 1 plus x square with respect to x. And now we can solve this integration easily. Okay, now let us solve. So here the first term of integration is, that is 1 by 3 tan inverse of x into x raised to 3 minus 1 by 3 as it is. Integration of x with respect to x is x square upon 2 minus minus plus. And students, to solve this integrand, we can adjust here, that is multiplied and divide by 2. Multiplied and divide by 2, we can write this is 2x multiply with 2 and divide with 2 divided by 1 plus x square with respect to x. See student, this is of the form, that is f dash of x upon f of x with respect to x, and this is log of f of x. By using this corollary, we can solve this, and to solve this we have to adjust the term, that is divide and multiplied by 2. Okay, and now this is minus 1 by 3 into x square by 2, and again multiply with 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. Okay, and this is 1 by 3 1 by 3 tan inverse of x into x raised to 3 minus x square upon 6. Okay, plus 1 upon 3 into 2, 6, and f dash of x upon f of x, this is log of f of x. F of x is 1 plus x square, hence this is log of 1 plus x square plus constant of integration c, and this is the solution of the problem, that is integration of x into tan inverse of x, that is integration of x square into tan inverse of x. This is the solution for the given problem. Okay students, now take one problem as a homework problem, and the homework problem is that evaluate the integration of x raised to 3 tan inverse of x, and you have to solve the similar way. Okay students, we have solved x into tan inverse of x, x square into tan inverse of x, and this is the homework problem for you. Students, the similar way you have to solve the problem. Okay, now let us take another example, that is evaluate integration of log of x whole square with respect to x. Okay students, so while solving the problems of integration by parts. Now student, this is log of x whole square, means we can see here only one term. We don't know the integration of log of x. Okay students, so you have to remember one thing or note down one thing, that is, if we have to find out the integration of log of x or power of log of x, in that case the only one term is here. So consider this log of x into 1, that is log of x whole square into 1, and then solve the problem, and consider the u function as the log of x whole square, and the 1, that is the function v is 1. Okay students, now this is example. Before going to that, let us solve the example of, that is, integration of log of x with respect to x. First we solve this function and then we solve this function. Okay students, so here log of x, integration of log of x, we can write here log of x into 1 with respect to x. So here u equal to log of x and v equal to 1. Now by using by parts theorem, u into v with respect to x equal to u integration of v with respect to x minus differentiation of u with respect to x into integration of v with respect to x and whole with respect to x. So here integration of log of x into 1 with respect to x. So u is log of x. So log of x integration of v means integration of 1 with respect to x minus integration of differentiation of u means differentiation of log of x with respect to x into integration of v means integration of 1 with respect to x and whole with respect to x. So this is minus integration of, that is, what is differentiation of log of x? Differentiation of log of x is 1 upon x into integration of 1 with respect to x is x and whole integration with respect to x. So here x get cancelled and minus integration of 1 with respect to x, and this is equal to log of x as it is, and integration of 1 with respect to x is x, and plus constant of integration c. Hence this is equal to x into log of x minus integration of 1 with respect to x is x plus constant of integration c, and hence integration of log of x with respect to x equal to common out x into log of x minus 1 plus constant of integration c. This is the integration for the function of log of x. Okay students, now let us solve the integration of log of x whole square with respect to x. So students, to solve this type of integral, okay, so here this we can write log of x, this is log of x whole square into 1 with respect to x. So here log of x whole square equal to u and v equal to 1, and by using integration of by parts theorem, that is u into v with respect to x is u, take outside the integration of v with respect to x minus integration of, in integration, differentiation of u with respect to x into integration of v with respect to x and whole with respect to x. So here the integration of log of x whole square with respect to x equal to u is log of x whole square, log of x whole square. Integration of v means 1 with respect to x minus du by dx means differentiation of log of x, that is differentiation of log of x whole square with respect to x into integration of v means 1 with respect to x and whole integration with respect to x. So this is equal to log of x whole square, integration of 1 with respect to x is x minus in integration differentiation of log of x whole square. Now first differentiation according to the power, that is n into x raised to n minus formula. So 2 into log of x raised to 1 means log of x, and this log of x is again differentiable function, that's why its differentiation is 1 upon x. This is the differentiation of log of x whole square. Now integration of 1 with respect to x is x. And students, we have to integrate the whole function with respect to x. So here x get cancelled and minus 2 outside the integration, and this is log of x with respect to x. And the term, that is x into log of x whole square as it is. Okay students, now to find out the integration of log of x, this log of x, integration of log of x, in last problem we have solved the integration of log of x. Similar way you have to solve, that is integration of log of x is log of x into 1 with respect to x, where u equal to log of x and v equal to 1. By using u into v formula of integration, we can solve. The minus sign will be as it is, into bracket log of x into 1, that is u is log of x is outside the integration, and in integration, that is v means 1 with respect to x minus in integration differentiation of log of x with respect to x into integration of 1 with respect to x and whole integration with respect to x plus constant of integration c, minus 2 as it is, log of x, integration of 1 with respect to x is x minus differentiation of log of x, differentiation of log of x is 1 upon x into integration of 1 is x and whole with respect to x. So here x get cancelled, and now we have minus 2 x into log of x minus integration of 1 with respect to x and plus constant of integration c, and this is equal to x into log of x whole square. Okay students, and now the last step, that is this is equal to x into log of x whole square minus 2x into log of x. We can simplify the term, minus minus becomes plus, and integration of 1 with respect to x is x plus constant of integration c, and multiply with 2 is remaining here, and this is the integration of log of x whole square with respect to x. Okay students, in this way we have to solve the integration. Now the integration of the next, evaluate integration of sec cube x with respect to x. So this sec cube x, this is the specific problem. And to solve this sec cube of x, we have to adjust the term. That is, here consider sec cube x as sec square x into sec x with respect to x. So students, this is the sec square x and this is the sec x. Now which both are the trigonometric function. In this case, which is the u function and which is the v function. Students, in Bypass theorem, I have explained one thing that is the v function is integrable form and u function is differentiable. And so that's why we take the differentiation of u function and integration of v function. Okay. And therefore, while solving such type of problem, means like this problem, now both are the trigonometric function. So here the differentiation of, that is differentiation of sec x we can take, and integration of, you know, the integration of sec square of x is tan x. So consider such type of function. So here we can take u equal to sec square of x, here u equal to sec x and v equal to sec square of x. Anyway, you can consider. Okay students. Now let us solve, that is by using Bypass theorem, that is integration of u into v with respect to x equal to u integration of v with respect to x minus integration of du by dx in integration differentiation of u with respect to x into integration of v function with respect to x and whole with respect to x. Now let us consider integration of sec square of x into sec x with respect to x. So we have considered here, that is u is the sec function. So sec function is outside the integration, and v, that is integration of sec square of x with respect to x, and that is equal to minus differentiation of u, that is differentiation of sec x with respect to x, integration of sec square of x with respect to x and whole integration with respect to x. So this is sec square of x sec x, integration of sec square of x is tan x minus differentiation of sec x, that is sec x into tan x. We know the formula. Integration of sec square x is tan x. Integration of sec x, sec square x is tan x and whole with respect to x minus this is integration of sec x into tan square of x with respect to x. And now to solve this type of integral, so we can convert this tan square x as this tan square of x. We know that 1 plus tan square x equal to sec square x. Okay, and therefore tan square of x equal to sec square of x minus 1. And students, also remember that the integration we have considered here, the integration of sec cube of x, integration of sec cube of x with respect to x equal to I. That suppose we have considered integration of sec cube of x with respect to x equal to I, and therefore this is equal to sec x into tan x minus integration of sec x tan square x we can write as sec square of x minus 1 with respect to x, and this is equal to sec x into tan x, and this is integration of sec cube x with respect to x, and we have considered this is I, integration of sec cube of x equal to I, and minus integration of sec x into sec square, that is sec cube x with respect to x. Okay, minus minus becomes plus, take the integration separately. Sec x into 1 is integration of sec x with respect to x. So student, from 1, suppose this is from 1, this is the value that we have considered, this is the value we have considered as I. Okay, and therefore this is equal to integration I equal to sec x into tan x minus the value is I, and plus integration of sec x is, we know that log of sec x plus tan x plus constant of integration c, shift minus I to that side, that will become I plus I equal to 2I. This is equal to 2I. This is equal to 2I. Equal to sec x into tan x plus log of sec x plus tan x plus constant of integration c, and now divide by 2. The integration I means integration of sec cube of x with respect to x is sec x tan x upon 2 plus log of sec x plus tan x plus constant of integration c, and in this way we have to solve the problem. Okay students, remaining problem we will continue the next video. And hence integration of sec cube of x with respect to x is sec x tan x upon 2, also plus log of sec x plus tan x divided by 2 plus constant of integration c, and in this way we have to solve the problems of integration by parts.